Right, hello everyone. Now, further to the last video of the Bandai Royce Silver Cloud, at this point I have taken both cars apart. Okay? This is a good one. This is the one with a good body. The other body I threw out. But, yeah, well, it was no good, was it? It was all rubbish. So anyway, what I'm going to do first of all is show you how this goes round. You can see how it is. Okay. Come on, come on. Here we go. Here we go. There you go. So, there's a lot wrong with both of them actually. Quite a lot wrong with both of them. You remember I mentioned about the AA badge on the front of this one? It turns out it was never supposed to be there. Somebody has cleverly cut that out from a piece of cardboard and stuck it on there. But I think it looks really good, and it's to scale, which is good. So I'm going to leave it there. So there you see the car with no base on it. You see no roof on it. But you can see the interior. I've cleaned this interior right up. It was all dirty and horrible and nasty and dusty. I'll show you now what the interior was like in the other car. I mean, they were both the same. You know, they were both as bad as each other. But this is the interior I haven't cleaned up. Look. There you go. It's got panels in the back of the seats there. You can see the dashboard. It's got foot pedals. I don't know if you can see them in there. That's the state of the front seat, uncleaned. This is much like everything was, really. Wood effects on the dashboard, I think, is a nice touch. Green carpets. I don't know why it would have green carpets in a blue car, but there you go. I would have preferred to have blue carpets myself. So yeah, there's the basic construction of that. Plastic steering wheel. Okay, I'll keep that because I'm going to need that later for something maybe. Now then, so there's the body. You saw it all the way around, didn't you? So then we have the roof. Now, this is the roof that came off. This is the dented roof version. Okay, I'll just put that on. Oh, hang on. It's gone mad. Hang on. Yeah, there you go. This is the dented roof. You see, I've taken everything apart. This one has a rear window. The other one didn't, did it? Has a windscreen and a rear window, but no side windows. So yeah, what I've done, I've taken both the roofs off, both the cars. I've straightened out all the tabs so that it will all fit together quite easily, I hope. I didn't need to take the interior out of the car I last showed you because it's just good enough as it is. But I'll just show you something here. This rear window is held in with these tabs which actually go through the glass, as it were. It's actually quite thick glass. So, there you go. It's held in with those little tabs. So what I've done with this roof, which is an unbent one, I've unbent the tabs so it'd be easy to put the windows straight in. I hope so, at least, because that will be coming up in the next video. Alright, that's the roof with no dents in it. And then we have the base. Now, we have two different bases. We have this base, this is, I put the front axle in, you see, the front axle's in there. This one at the back here has 3 tabs each side to hold the motor in. The other base only had 2 tabs each side to hold the motor in. Another thing that's wrong with the other base is that these at the front here, the bumper goes in this one and the base goes in this one. So you've got 2 slots each side. Okay. I mean, this is the one with the crease in the back there, but I can't really do much about that. I'll just show you the other base actually, so you can see the difference. There we go. Look, see? There's, it only has 4 tabs. It has this bit at the back, and it doesn't have the bit at the front where the bumper fits in. The other one has both. So what I'm thinking is, the motor was held in here with some wire, right? So, I mean, it's a straighter chassis, but it's hasn't got enough tabs to hold the motor in. So that's what I think someone's done, is take it apart, and I don't know what, and then locked the back bumper. So here's the motor, right, from that car. This, I don't like the way this is bent like this. I really don't. I'm going to have to hammer that down, I think. Don't you? But anyway, I put the wheels on here. It runs really well actually, this motor. It's got a load of grease in it, build up of dried black grease and fluff, and I'm going to have to clean all that out of there, and then we'll give it a blast with the WD and we'll see what it does, yeah? So that's what we'll do with that. So there we go. Oh, and the bumpers, yes. This is the back bumper that was missing off the other one. I've managed to straighten it out a bit. I can't do it perfectly, it's but it'll go on. That's the main part. Yeah, the other, yeah. And then the front bumper, I think I chose this one because it's the cleanest of the lot. You can't get the plating back because it won't come back. These fog lamps actually are plastic. They go straight through the metal. But at least I've got all the tabs on this one. So that's what I'll be doing. Next video I'll be putting it together. So there you go then. Have fun with that. And yeah. And then we'll see. Okay. Thanks everyone.